Finally, I'll provide a quick guide on how you can get started with OpenARK today. OpenARK's source code is hosted at the link here on GitHub. Updates to OpenARK are pushed to the master branch of this repository. Feel free to make issues or pull requests here to join the OpenARK community. The first step towards using OpenARK is installing dependencies. OpenARK has a lot of dependencies, and each needs to be compatible with one another, as well as OpenARK itself. The recommended way to install the dependencies, if you are using Windows, is via the Windows Dependency Installer. The link to the .exe file can be found in the project README. This installer will install the binaries to a folder and place an environment variable pointing to the folder such that OpenARK can find them. You may need to add the bin folder to the system path manually if you are running OpenARK from a non-primary user on your Windows computer. If this dependency installer doesn't suit your needs, or you are building OpenARK on Linux, you need to either build from source or on Linux, obtain the dependencies via your package manager. The instructions for this are under the documentation folder in the repository. OpenARK is built using CMake, an open source build tool available on most OSs. Specific instructions to build OpenARK are included in the documentation. Inside CMake lists.txt, certain build options can be toggled, such as build hand demo, build avatar demo, and build slam demo, to influence which demo files in OpenARK are compiled. The demo files will be compiled and the output executables will be placed inside build/release. Including OpenARK in your own projects is easy with CMake. Simply add find package OpenARK to your CMake lists.txt and the library functions will be ready for you to use in your own project. Two of our high school interns, Advit Deepak and Michael Peng, put together an OpenARK installation guide video, hosted on YouTube and featured on our main repository. It'll help ease over the process and deal with many of the common issues with installing OpenARK. Finally, feel free to check out the other demos inside OpenARK. OpenARK is not just limited to 3D reconstruction and SLAM. There is functionality to track hands and avatars, as well as code to integrate OpenARK with Unity, although that is currently in progress. Thank you for listening.